Well, it's New Year's Eve and we're having a blizzard right now. The snow started around 4 in the afternoon, and this is the heaviest I've seen it. I actually shoveled around an hour and a half ago, I think, if 2 hours at the longest. And it's really coming down, and it's a lot windier. Sounds like somebody's stuck. Or that's the plow. I don't know how the plow can keep up. I had the car cleaned off. The driveway was shoveled. Then I shoveled it, like I said, hour and a half. And there's no way I'm going to try to shovel. It's pretty windy. So let the plow do it. So you can see how heavy the snow is.
See you later. Maybe grab a late supper after the show.
Where?
Arnold and Cheetahs.
Sure. Pick me up around midnight.
Right.
Dad, I'm going to continue seeing you.
We'll discuss your taste later. At the moment, I'd like to check the props. Daughter.
Yes, Father.
When we played our charade, we were like children posing, playing at games, acting out names, guessing the parts.
DSP is working. When I'm up, I just wanted to say hello. Lieutenant Colombo, glad to get here. Wonderful crowd you had. I was wondering.
Mr. Santini? Mr. Santini?
Yes, excuse me. Yes, Jim.
This gentleman's from out of town. He says he knows you.
There is he again. Michael Lowry. The greatest wire actor in his brother. You should have seen him. How is he? Well, he's still idiot. If I can leave it too long. Excuse me. Yes. 2 minutes of showtime. Thank you, Jimmy. Excuse me. Have a drink on me, John Santini. I don't want to oppose. Could you do something about my table?